Did you know you can scan any QR code directly inside Google Chrome without installing any extra app? Most people still don't know this hidden trick. In this next 60 seconds, I will show you the fastest way to scan QR code using Google Chrome. So first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome in our computer. So press start button and then search Google Chrome. So my browser is open now, and here we are going to search website. For example, we are going to search yahoo.com, and you can see this is the yahoo.com website. We are going to create QR code of this website first. So right click on that website, and here you will get this QR code option. You simply click on it, and here you will see this QR code is generated. Now we are going to download this QR code in our computer. So here you can select any directory, but here right now we want to save this QR code on our desktop. So simply select desktop and then press this save button. So we are going to minimize these things and let's check the QR code. So friend, here you can see that this QR code is saved in local computer. Now we are going to open this QR code in our browser. So drag that file over here. So friend, you can see that this is my QR code, and we are going to scan this QR code in our Google Chrome browser. So what we will do, simply click on this three dot icon, and here you will get this search this tab with Google Lens. Okay, you simply click on it and then do the mark of this QR code. And friend, you can see that this QR code website is open now, and here we are simply click on this website. So that QR code will scan and you will automatically redirect to your website. And here you will also copy that URL from this QR code. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can scan QR code in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how you can easily scan your QR code in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.